بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
والصافات صفا.
By the oath of those who arrange themselves in proper rows.
فالزاجرات زجرا.
And then by those who drive by scolding.
فالتاليات ذكرا.
And by those groups who read the Quran.
إن إلهكم لواحد.
Indeed, your God is definitely one.
رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما ورب المشارق.
The owner of the heavens and the earth, and whatever is between them, and the owner of the easts.
إنا زينا السماء الدنيا بزينة الكواكب.
We have indeed adorned the lowest sky with a decoration of stars.
وحفظا من كل شيطان مارد.
And in order to protect it from every rebellious devil.
لا يسمعون إلى الملأ الأعلى ويقذفون من كل جانب.
They, the devils, cannot listen to the exalted realm of the angels, and they are pelted from every side.
دحورا ولهم عذاب واصب.
To chase them away, and for them is a never-ending punishment.
إلا من خطف الخطفة فأتبعه شهاب ثاقب.
Except the one who sometimes snatches a part of the speech of the angels, so a shining flame, i.e., a shooting star, goes after him.
فاستفتهم أهم أشد خلقا أم من خلقنا إنا خلقناهم من طين لازب.
Therefore, O beloved, ask them, is their creation harder, or are other creation like the heavens and the angels, etc.? Indeed, we have created them from the sticky clay.
بل عجبت ويسخرون.
Rather, you're surprised and they are mocking you.
وإذا ذكروا لا يذكرون.
And when they are advised, they do not understand the advice.
وإذا رأوا آية يستسخرون.
And when they see any sign, they mock it.
وقالوا إن هذا إلا سحر مبين.
And they say, this is nothing but clear magic.
أإذا متنا وكنا ترابا وعظاما أإنا لمبعوثون.
When we are dead and have turned into dust and bones, will we definitely be raised again?
أوآباؤنا الأولون.
And also our former forefathers?
قل نعم وأنتم داخرون.
Say you, O beloved, yes, while you will be disgraced.
فإنما هي زجرة واحدة فإذا هم ينظرون.
So that, i.e., the second blowing of the trumpet, is just a single shout. Thereupon they will begin to see.
وقالوا يا ويلنا هذا يوم الدين.
And they will say, woe upon us. It will be said to them, this is the day of justice.
هذا يوم الفصل الذي كنتم به تكذبون.
This is the day of judgment which you used to deny.
احشروا الذين ظلموا وأزواجهم وما كانوا يعبدون.
All the unjust people and their associates and whatever they used to worship.
من دون الله فاهدوهم إلى صراط الجحيم.
Instead of Allah, drive all of them to the path of hell.
وقفوهم إنهم مسؤولون.
And stop them, they are to be questioned.
ما لكم لا تناصرون.
What has happened to you? why you do not help one another.
بل هم اليوم مستسلمون
Rather, this day they have all surrendered.
وأقبل بعضهم على بعض يتساءلون
And one of them faced the other, questioning each other.
قالوا إنكم كنتم تأتوننا عن اليمين
They said, "It is you who used to come to us from our right side in order to mislead."
قالوا بل لم تكونوا مؤمنين
They will respond, "You did not have faith yourselves.
وما كان لنا عليكم من سلطان بل كنتم قوما طاغين
And we did not have any control over you. Rather, you were rebellious people yourselves."
فحق علينا قول ربنا إنا لذائقون
So, the word of our Lord has proven true against us. We will surely have to taste the punishment.
فأغويناكم إنا كنا غاوين
We therefore led you astray because we ourselves were astray.
فإنهم يومئذ في العذاب مشتركون
So, on that day, they are all partners in punishment.
إنا كذلك نفعل بالمجرمين
This is how we deal with the culprits.
إنهم كانوا إذا قيل لهم لا إله إلا الله يستكبرون
Indeed, whenever it was said to them that there is no one worthy of worship except Allah, so they would become arrogant.
ويقولون أئنا لتاركو آلهتنا لشاعر مجنون
And they would say, "Shall we abandon our gods upon the saying of a mad poet?"
بل جاء بالحق وصدق المرسلين
He is not a mad poet. Rather, he has brought the truth and he has attested the previous messengers.
إنكم لذائق العذاب الأليم
Indeed, you definitely have to taste the painful punishment.
وما تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون
And you will not be compensated except for your doings.
إلا عباد الله المخلصين
Except the chosen bondsmen of Allah.
أولئك لهم رزق معلوم
For them is such sustenance which is in our knowledge.
فواكه وهم مكرمون
Fruits, and they will be honored.
في جنات النعيم
In gardens of peace.
على سرر متقابلين
They will be on the thrones face to face.
يطاف عليهم بكأس من معين
There will be rounds of cups of pure flowing wine for them in front of the eyes.
بيضاء لذة للشاربين
White in color, delicious for the drinkers.
لا فيها غول ولا هم عنها ينزفون
Wherein there is no intoxication nor spinning of their heads with it, i.e., no hangover.
وعندهم قاصرات الطرف عين
And with them are those maidens who will not set their gaze anywhere else other than towards their husbands with large, gorgeous eyes.
كأنهن بيض مكنون
As if they were eggs safely hidden.
فأقبل بعضهم على بعض يتساءلون
So, one amongst them, i.e., the dwellers of paradise, turns to the other while questioning.
قال قائل قائل منهم إني كان لي قرين.
The speaker among them said, I had a companion
يقول أئنك لمن المصدقين.
who used to tell me, do you believe it is true, i.e., resurrection?
أإذا متنا وكنا ترابا وعظاما أإنا لمدينون.
When we are dead and have turned into dust and bones, so will we be rewarded or punished?
قال هل أنتم مطلعون.
He said, will you peep and take a glimpse into hell?
فاطلع فرآه في سواء الجحيم.
He therefore looked down and saw him in the middle of the blazing fire.
قال تالله إن كدت لتردين.
He said, by the oath of Allah, you had nearly ruined me.
ولولا نعمة ربي لكنت من المحضرين.
And if my Lord does not bestow His benevolence, I too would have therefore definitely been seized and brought forth as a prisoner.
أفما نحن بميتين.
So, are we never to die?
إلا موتتنا الأولى وما نحن بمعذبين.
Except our first death, and we will not be punished?
إن هذا لهو الفوز العظيم.
This is certainly the supreme success.
لمثل هذا فليعمل العاملون.
For this kind of success, doers should work.
أذلك خير نزلا أم شجرة الزقوم.
So, is this hospitality better or the tree of Zaqqum, i.e., a horrible bitter tree in hell?
إنا جعلناها فتنة للظالمين.
We have indeed made that tree a test for the unjust.
إنها شجرة تخرج في أصل الجحيم.
Indeed, that is a tree which springs out from the root of hell.
طلعها كأنه رؤوس الشياطين.
The shoots of its fruits are like the heads of devils.
فإنهم لآكلون منها فمالئون منها البطون.
Then indeed they will eat from it, then fill their bellies with it.
ثم إن لهم عليها لشوبا من حميم.
Then indeed on top of it, for them is the mixture of boiling water.
ثم إن مرجعهم لإلى الجحيم.
Then indeed their return is towards the blazing fire.
إنهم ألفوا آباءهم ضالين.
They had indeed found their forefathers astray,
فهم على آثارهم يهرعون.
so they hastened to follow in their footsteps.
ولقد ضل قبلهم أكثر الأولين.
And indeed before them many of the former ones went astray.
ولقد أرسلنا فيهم منذرين.
And indeed we had sent warners among them.
فانظر كيف كان عاقبة المنذرين.
Therefore, see what was the outcome of those who were warned.
إلا عباد الله المخلصين.
Except the chosen bondsmen of Allah.
ولقد نادانا نوح فلنعم المجيبون.
And indeed, Nuh called upon us. So what an excellent answerer of supplication we are.
ونجيناه وأهله من الكرب العظيم.
And we rescued him and his family from the great calamity.
وجعلنا ذريته هم الباقين.
And we made his children the only survivors.
وتركنا عليه في الآخرين.
And we kept his praise amongst the latter generations.
سلام على نوح في العالمين
Peace be upon Nuh amongst the creations in the world.
إنا كذلك نجزي المحسنين
Undoubtedly, this is how we reward the righteous.
إنه من عبادنا المؤمنين
He, Nuh, is indeed one of our high-ranking, entirely believing bondsmen.
ثم أغرقنا الآخرين
We then drowned the others.
وإن من شيعته لإبراهيم
And indeed, Ibrahim is from his group.
إذ جاء ربه بقلب سليم
When he presented himself before his Lord with a heart free from other than Allah.
إذ قال لأبيه وقومه ماذا تعبدون
When he, Ibrahim, said to his father and his people, "What do you worship?
أئفكا آلهة دون الله تريدون
Do you desire a God other than Allah through fabrication?
فما ظنكم برب العالمين
So, what is your perception regarding the Lord of all the worlds?"
فنظر نظرة في النجوم
He then cast a glance at the stars.
فقال إني سقيم
He then said, "I'm going to get ill."
فتولوا عنه مدبرين
So, they turned their backs on him and went away.
فراغ إلى آلهتهم فقال ألا تأكلون
He then walked towards their idols secretly. So he said, "Do you not eat?
ما لكم لا تنطقون
What happened to you that you do not speak?"
فراغ عليهم ضربا باليمين
So he began striking them with his right hand, unnoticed by the people.
فأقبلوا إليه يزفون
So the disbelievers came towards him in haste.
قال أتعبدون ما تنحتون
He said, "Do you worship that which you yourselves have carved with your own hands?
والله خلقكم وما تعملون
Whereas Allah has created you and your actions?"
قالوا بنوا له بنيانا فألقوه في الجحيم
They said, "Construct a building, i.e., a furnace for him, and then cast him in the blazing fire."
فأرادوا به كيدا فجعلناهم الأسفلين
So they tried to execute their evil scheme upon him. We humiliated them.
وقال إني ذاهب إلى ربي سيهدين
And he said, "Indeed, I am going to go to my Lord. He will now guide me."
رب هب لي من الصالحين
O my Lord, bestow upon me righteous offspring.
فبشرناه بغلام حليم
We henceforth gave him the glad tidings of an intelligent boy.
فلما بلغ معه السعي قال يا بني إني أرى في المنام أني أذبحك فانظر ماذا ترى قال يا أبت افعل ما تؤمر ستجدني إن شاء الله من الصابرين
And when he became capable of working with him, Ibrahim said, "O my son, I dreamt that I am sacrificing you. Now see, what is your opinion?" The son said, "O my father, do what you are being commanded. Allah willing, it is soon that you will find me patient."
فلما أسلما وتله للجبين
So, when they both submitted to our command, and the father laid down his son by his forehead, do not ask about that astonishing situation.
وناديناه أن يا إبراهيم
And we called out to him that, O Ibrahim,
قد صدقت الرؤيا إنا كذلك نجزي المحسنين.
you have indeed made the dream come true, and this is how we reward the virtuous.
إن هذا لهو البلاء المبين.
Indeed, this was a clear test,
وفديناه بذبح عظيم.
and we rescued him, Ismail, in exchange for a great sacrifice.
وتركنا عليه في الآخرين.
And we kept his praise amongst the latter generations.
سلام على إبراهيم.
Peace be upon Ibrahim.
كذلك نجزي المحسنين.
This is how we reward the virtuous.
إنه من عبادنا المؤمنين.
He is indeed one of our high-ranking, entirely believing bondsmen.
وبشرناه بإسحاق نبيا من الصالحين.
And we gave him the glad tidings of Ishaq, that he will be a conveyor of the unseen news, a prophet from amongst those who deserve our proximity.
وباركنا عليه وعلى إسحاق ومن ذريتهما محسن وظالم لنفسه مبين.
And we sent blessings upon him and Ishaq, and amongst their children, one who does good deeds and one clearly wrongs himself.
ولقد مننا على موسى وهارون.
And we indeed did a great favor upon Musa and Harun,
ونجيناهما وقومهما من الكرب العظيم.
and rescued them and their nation from the great distress.
ونصرناهم فكانوا هم الغالبين.
And we helped them so they became victorious.
وآتيناهما الكتاب المستبين.
And we bestowed the luminous book, i.e., the Torah, to both of them.
وهديناهما الصراط المستقيم.
And showed them the straight path.
وتركنا عليهما في الآخرين.
And we kept their praise amongst the latter generations.
سلام على موسى وهارون.
Peace be upon Musa and Harun.
إنا كذلك نجزي المحسنين.
This is how we reward the virtuous.
إنهما من عبادنا المؤمنين.
Indeed, they both are amongst our high-ranking, entirely believing bondsmen.
وإن إلياس لمن المرسلين.
And indeed, Ilyas is of the messengers.
إذ قال لقومه ألا تتقون.
When he said to his nation, do you not fear?
أتدعون بعلا وتذرون أحسن الخالقين.
Do you worship Baal, an idol, and leave the best creator?
الله ربكم ورب آبائكم الأولين.
Allah, who is your Lord and the Lord of your former forefathers.
فكذبوه فإنهم لمحضرون.
Thereafter they belied him, so they will definitely be seized.
إلا عباد الله المخلصين.
Except the chosen bondsmen of Allah.
وتركنا عليه في الآخرين.
And we kept his praise amongst the latter generations.
سلام على الياسين.
Peace be upon Ilyas.
إنا كذلك نجزي المحسنين.
This is how we reward the virtuous.
إنه من عبادنا المؤمنين.
He is indeed one of our high-ranking, entirely believing bondsmen.
وإن لوطا لمن المرسلين.
And indeed, Lut is of the messengers.
إذ نجيناه وأهله أجمعين.
When we rescued him and his entire family,
إلا عجوزا في الغابرين.
except an old woman who became amongst those who stayed behind.
ثم دمرنا الآخرين
We then destroyed the others.
وإنكم لتمرون عليهم مصبحين.
And indeed, you, O disbelievers of Makkah, pass over them, i.e., over their deserted houses, in the morning when you travel.
وبالليل أفلا تعقلون.
And during the night also pass therefrom. So do you not have sense?
وإن يونس لمن المرسلين.
And indeed, Yunus is of the messengers.
إذ أبق إلى الفلك المشحون.
When he left towards the loaded ship,
فساهم فكان من المدحضين.
so he drew lots. He therefore became amongst those who were pushed into the sea.
فالتقمه الحوت وهو مليم.
The fish then swallowed him, and he was blaming himself.
فلولا أنه كان من المسبحين.
And had he not been of those who glorify Allah,
للبث في بطنه إلى يوم يبعثون.
he would have definitely remained in its belly till the day when the people will be raised.
فنبذناه بالعراء وهو سقيم.
Then we cast him on the shore, and he was ill.
وأنبتنا عليه شجرة من يقطين.
And we grew a tree of gourd above him.
وأرسلناه إلى 100,000 أو يزيدون.
And we sent him towards 100,000 people, rather more.
فآمنوا فمتعناهم إلى حين.
So they believed, we henceforth gave them benefit for a while.
فاستفتهم ألربك البنات ولهم البنون.
Therefore ask them, O beloved, whether the daughters are for your Lord and the sons for them?
أم خلقنا الملائكة إناثا وهم شاهدون.
Or that have we created the angels as females, and were they present at the time of their creation?
ألا إنهم من إفكهم ليقولون.
Pay heed, indeed, they say this out of their fabrication.
ولد الله وإنهم لكاذبون.
That Allah has offspring, and indeed they are definitely liars.
أصطفى البنات على البنين.
Has He chosen daughters instead of sons?
ما لكم كيف تحكمون.
What is the matter with you? What sort of judgment do you give?
أفلا تذكرون.
So, do you not ponder?
أم لكم سلطان مبين.
Or do you have some clear proof?
فأتوا بكتابكم إن كنتم صادقين.
Then bring your book if you're truthful.
وجعلوا بينه وبين الجنة نسبا ولقد علمت الجنة إنهم لمحضرون.
And they have appointed kingship between him and the jinn. And indeed the jinn most definitely know that they who made such claims will definitely be brought to be put into hell.
سبحان الله عما يصفون.
Purity is to Allah from the matters they relate,
إلا عباد الله المخلصين.
except the chosen bondsmen of Allah.
فإنكم وما تعبدون.
Therefore, you and all what you worship other than Allah,
ما أنتم عليه بفاتنين.
all of you cannot mislead anyone against him,
إلا من هو صال الجحيم.
except the one who is going into the blazing fire.
وما منا إلا له مقام معلوم.
And the angels say, each one of us has a known station.
وإنا لنحن الصافون.
indeed, we with our wings spread await the command.
وإنا لنحن المسبحون
And indeed, we are those who glorify Him.
وإن كانوا ليقولون
And indeed they, i.e., the disbelievers used to say,
لو أن عندنا ذكرا من الأولين
if we had some advice, i.e., a book like that of the earlier generations,
لكنا عباد الله المخلصين
then by practicing it, we would surely have been the chosen bondsmen of Allah.
فكفروا به فسوف يعلمون
So they denied it, i.e., the Quran. Therefore they will soon come to know of their bad outcome.
ولقد سبقت كلمتنا لعبادنا المرسلين
And indeed, our word has already been decreed for our bondsmen who were sent, i.e., the prophets.
إنهم لهم المنصورون
That undoubtedly only they will be helped.
وإن جندنا لهم الغالبون
And indeed, only our army will become dominant.
فتول عنهم حتى حين
Therefore, turn away from them for some time
وأبصرهم فسوف يبصرون
and keep watching them. They will soon see their bad outcome.
أفبعذابنا يستعجلون
So, are they in haste for our punishment?
فإذا نزل بساحتهم فساء صباح المنذرين
Then, when it will descend in their courtyards, so what an evil morning it will be for those who were warned.
وتول عنهم حتى حين
And turn away from them for some time.
وأبصر فسوف يبصرون
And wait, they will soon see their bad outcome.
سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون
Purity is to your Lord, the Lord of honor, from all what they falsely attribute unto Him.
وسلام على المرسلين
And peace be upon the messengers.
والحمد لله رب العالمين
And all praise is due to Allah, who is the Lord of all the worlds.
صدق الله العظيم